So now what I will do is I will make a small change to one of the files, and I will um, show you how the head versus the origin pointers work. So what I'll do is on my local machine, I have file B, right? And I will change file B to version 2. So, so I have file B and I will change it to version 1 here, right? And I will save it. So now if I come back to my command prompt, I will show you the git log. So my head is pointing to main, and my origin URL, like the origin pointer on the central repository, is also pointing to main at this commit number. Now what I will do is I will add file B. Right, and now if I check git log, so my local repository's head is pointing to the main, which is the recent change we made, but my origin is still pointing to the previous commit here because we haven't pushed it yet. So what I should do now is, so I give this command git push -u origin main, and it again prompts me to enter the credentials, which I do. Authentication is succeeded, and again, if you go back to the repository, you should see the latest change. So I will show you that now. So if you go to commits here, you can see committed 2 minutes ago, file B version 1. So that's how head and origin pointers work. So I hope now you have a clarity on how these two pointers work and how are they linked with the commit numbers.